So guys, I decided to get my white shoes a little clean. And so this is everything that I decided to use. As you can see, the shoes are a bit dirty, so I need to scrub them off a little bit to keep them a little more so they can be white. They don't gotta be white all the way like how they were when I got them, but hey, as long as they look clean, that's all that matters. So as you can see, everything that I used: baking soda, dish soap, water. Mix it all together. Use a scrub or a sponge to scrub it. And just like that, guys, it actually works. It takes off the stain. I would say give it a try. You just might not be disappointed. Then again, you won't know till you try it. So go ahead, give it a try and let me know in the comment.